I have 4 reds to leave a cue ball in this area. So 3 things: a red ball to the left side and the 4 ball to the right pocket. 16 pots. So this time I'm perfect. This is the absolute minimum which I should get. This practice routine will take your safety and long ball game to another level. I have 4 reds, 2 to each side. And I have red here. And my goal is not only to put a long ball to each pocket, but to leave a cue ball in this area. An amazing exercise. So what you can improve? First of all, you will improve long potting skills, you will measure better cue ball speed, and improve safety game. So 3 things: the left red ball to the left side, I have to play to this left corner pocket to play 2 cushion positional shot or 3 cushion positional shot. I leave a cue ball around this area here. Right corner pocket, as you guessed, I have to play to the right corner pocket and leave a cue ball around here. Then I will play the third ball to the left corner pocket and the 4th ball to the right pocket. So basically what you have to do, you have to put 4 balls and do 4 circles. So that means in the whole routine you have to make it 16 pots. And try each time to leave a cue ball around in this area here. As you play shots to the left corner pocket, the cue ball should be a little bit outside the brown spot to the left side. And when you're playing balls to the right corner, your cue ball is about half ball to the right side. Left side, right side. Now I start with the ball to the left side.
If you want to improve your aiming, cue action, cue ball control mental game, I can help you to take your snooker game to the next level. Snooker coaching benefits live online coaching. Improve your snooker knowledge. Discover a technique which suits you the best. Have a decent strategic, tactical game. Detailed practice plans, analysis. Mental toughness and calmness under pressure. Just text me your name, country, and what do you want to improve to my WhatsApp number to Vilius Šultė, EBC Professional Snooker Coach. Don't wait and book an online or live snooker coaching session now. See you, folks.
All shots I play with the topspin because it will help me to leave cue ball around this area here. So this time I potted the ball, but my cue ball wasn't good enough. So next time when I will play, I will try to make a cue ball around this area here. You can miss the shots, but the most important thing is to get safety. Of course, try to pot all balls, but I think you should pot 1 or 3 times if you are advanced player. If you are beginner, if you pot once per 10 times, it's also okay. So this time I play perfect shot. My cue ball is close to the boulk cushion, and this is the perfect shot. So now again I play to shot to the left corner pocket there. And we will see where the cue ball lands. Just about it. This is the absolute minimum which I should get, but I'm happy with the result because I put the ball. And the last ball. And now I had a perfect shot. So this is what you have to do. You have to make these 4 circles. Don't feel frustrated if you miss the ball, because this is the most important. The most important thing is to analyze yourself and at least to make safety. I wish you good practice, and I believe that it will increase your long potting and safety game to the next level.